Welcome to the Nature's Guide. Today, we're deep in the mountains, exploring some of nature's best-kept secrets, healing plants that have been used in herbal medicine for centuries. Stick around. You don't want to miss this. Did you know there's a plant growing right here that was once used by tribal healers to treat infections and even reduce inflammation? Plant 1 Yarrow, Achillea millefolium. Our first discovery is the yarrow plant, known scientifically as Achillea millefolium. This small, white-flowered herb has been used for thousands of years to treat wounds. Even ancient warriors carried it to stop bleeding in battle. Yarrow contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compounds, making it ideal for natural first aid kits. Traditionally, people crushed its leaves to make poultices for cuts, bruises, and even fevers. You'll usually find yarrow in sunny patches of highland meadows and mountain trails, blending quietly into the wild, yet offering powerful healing. Plant 2 Mullen, Verbascum thapsus. This tall, fuzzy-leaved plant is called mullen, a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to support lung and respiratory health. Herbalists dry its soft leaves to make teas that help with coughs, asthma, and bronchitis. The plant thrives in rocky soils and is often found standing tall near hiking paths, even at high altitudes. Its bright yellow flowers are also used in oils to soothe earaches and skin irritations. Mullen is a perfect example of how nature provides healing even in the harshest environments. Plant 3 Goldenrod, Solidago spp. Next, we have goldenrod, a golden yellow wildflower often mistaken for an allergen, but actually a powerful medicinal herb. It's commonly used to help with urinary tract infections, kidney detox, and even seasonal allergies. Goldenrod has strong anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, making it valuable in both traditional and modern herbal medicine. It usually grows in sunny, open spaces, especially near forest edges and clearings. This plant not only supports human health, but also plays a vital role in feeding bees and other pollinators. Cultural fact: many of these plants are still used in traditional mountain medicine. Healers pass down this knowledge from generation to generation, often without written records. Today we found yarrow, mullen, and goldenrod, all powerful healing plants hiding in plain sight. Have you seen any of these before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nature's Guide for more herbal and natural wisdom.